This is Young T on the truck.
And Daddy Coop Coop.
Oh, yeah?
Lesson 7.2.
Properties of Exponents. Boy.
Yeah.
Hi, Miss Dees. I'm happy to be here today.
Hey, Jordan. I'm glad you're here today.
Call me Daddy Coop.
Let's not. Are you ready to learn about multiplying powers with same bases?
Not really, but let's do this.
What would you do if you saw this problem?
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
That was a lot of twos.
Good.
I would just use a calculator.
That is a lot of twos. How many twos are there?
What's 4 plus 3?
7.
There's your answer.
There you go. So when you're multiplying powers with the same base, you can actually just take the base, add together the exponents, and that's your little shortcut.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, so real quick, again, when they have the same base, you just add together the exponents. So 6 plus negative 4 plus 2, that would end up being 5 to the 4th power. Over here, we look for, first, the numbers. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 3 ends up being 48. Our a's, we have a to the 1st power times a to the 3rd power, so we add those together and get a to the 4th power. And then b to the 2nd power is all by itself, so b to the 2nd power.
Before we start, I just want to introduce a good friend. Daddy T is here in the house.
Yup. What you're going to be doing is keeping the base and subtracting the exponents, giving you 2 to the 4th power.
So, Miss Dees, what are we going to be learning here today?
Just like Tony just said 2 seconds ago, we're going to keep the base and subtract the exponents. So x to the 4 minus 7, that gives us x to the negative 3. Does anybody remember what we do when we have negative exponents?
No. I forget. But hey, how's your day going?
It's going great. So you take it, negative exponent means it belongs on the other side of the fraction line.
Oh.
So our final answer would be 1 over x to the 3rd.
You're such a good teacher, Miss Dees.
Oh, shucks. So next example, you only subtract the variables that are the same. So we're going to have m to the 2 minus 5 times n to the 4 minus 3. When we work that out, we'll have m to the negative 3, n to the 1. Now again, what do we do when the exponent is negative?
Oh, put it on the other side of the fraction?
Move it on the other side of the fraction line. So our positive n will stay on the top. M to the negative 3 will become m to the 3. And so that...
Ow, Miss Dees, why'd you hit me? Ow!
Oh my gosh, Coop went to the ground.
Ow!
Someone call the police. Hey!
Yo, what up? Is Daddy Coop back?
Do you have to introduce yourself every time?
I gotta, cause like the last slide, you didn't let me in on it.
It's like saying Miss Dees every time she comes to class.
Okay.
Like, hey, my name is...
Yo, what up? I'm Miss D's in the house.
You gotta mock me. I'm doing this on my own.
Leave it.
Okay, so this is what you guys do. No, I got this. So this is what you guys do. You guys are gonna times the 3 to the 2. So, wait, what's 3? Oh, it's 6. You're gonna get 2 over 6. That's what you're gonna get, alright? Then you just do 2 times 2 times 2, and you guys get the rest, alright? Yeah! Alright, I'll be back, don't worry.
Alright, so like Jordan told you, when we do this, we multiply together our exponents. So this would become 3 times 5, or m to the 15th power. With fractions, it's no different. Remember, you just multiply straight across. So this becomes p to the 2 over 6. Can we reduce that? Yes, divide out a 2, and we'll get p to the 1/3.
Great, and don't forget to buy my new album. It's dropping tomorrow.
It sucks.
Hey! Guess who's back? Yup, it's me.
Yup, it's Daddy T.
Ooh, that was nice. I see what you did there. Alright, so today, guess what we're going to talk about? I just asked that question 10 seconds ago, but guess what? I'm asking again. You know why? Because I can. So, we're doing, well, we're not doing, we're, parentheses. What do?
Distribute.
They distribute. That is right. So you're going to put the 3 to the 2. Slow down. Then you're going to put the 3 to the other 2. And then you're going to get 2 to the third power. X to the second power. Oh, no, I know what you're doing. So it's 2 to the third times X to the second to the third. You guys know what we do when we have the thingy outside of the other thingy. I guess we're doing this one now. Oh, okay. So we do this. We do.
Don't point, they can't see.
This is just one big elaborate fail.
So, 2 to the third ends up being 8. And when you raise a power to a power, you multiply those exponents. Now, when you have a fraction being raised to the power, it's the same thing. You're going to distribute that to each of the terms. So we now have 4 to the negative 2 over m squared to the negative 2. And what do we do when we have negative exponents?
Sahuna. What?
Sahuna, what's that?
No
one knows.
Okay, so when it's a negative exponent, what do?
Oh, you flip it.
You flip it, thank you.
Let's go.
So we now have m squared squared over 4 squared.
Can't see me, but I'm dancing.
And when you have a power raised to a power, you multiply it, so that'll be m to the 4. And 4 squared is 16. That is our final answer.
Bye, Miss D's. What's up? It's Daddy Coop in the house again. Sadly, came to the end of our video. Hey, who wants to hear a joke?
I do. I don't. I love jokes.
Thanks, Daddy T. But guess what? All right, you guys ready? I know I'm ready. Are you? You ready? Okay, let's do it.
Are you ready?
Miss D's? She's a real teacher. Hey!
Man, that's a funny one.
All right, I'm out. Daddy Coop for the last time. Young T, he can't talk right now, but he in the house too with Mr. Affleck. We out.